Okay, so as I alluded to earlier, here's one that I prepared earlier. I went off the beaten track a little bit. I've got a bog. Luckily, Nigel is here from opposite lock. Nige, help me out here. What are my options to get this thing out?
Here's an option.
Yep.
Use a shovel and start digging.
Okay, so firstly, that's option one, manual labour. That ain't happening.
That's right.
Let's have a look at what else we've got here.
Cam, another option we can use is a snatch-em strap, but that's not going to work for us today because we don't have a second vehicle to attach this to help us extract this vehicle. So realistically, that's no good to us.
Okay.
Another option is a recovery track.
Yep.
You can use 2 of these on the rear of the vehicle, but we'll go through that later on. These are fantastic in the mud, the snow, and clay, and all sorts of recovery situations.
All right.
But what I want to talk about is a product called Trac Grabber. These are really good. These attach via a Velcro strap to each of your wheels, and they will help you extract the vehicle.
Okay, so how long are we talking to fit them as a four-wheel drive here in the Land Cruiser? How long?
You're looking at about 50 seconds a wheel, mate.
Okay, I'm going to time you. You come and show me how it's done.
Righto. Through the top of the buckle like so.
Yep.
Pull down tight.
Yep.
Attach the Velcro back to itself. We're done.
All right, let's
go
and do
give it a go.